Codes for Paint and Seek in Roblox. Paint and Seek is one of Roblox's most creative hide and seek games. Let's break down the latest codes, how to redeem them, and what rewards you'll get. So, active codes include new update for 750 coins, coloring books for 1,000 coins, likes 7k for 900 coins, 5 mil visit for 1,100 coins, 6k thank you for 800 coins, and thank you 5k for 700 coins. Expired codes include Update 1, sorry for delay, thanks for support, Release, Fireworks, and 3M visits. Don't waste time trying them, they no longer work. So to redeem, go ahead and open up Paint and Seek. Click the settings icon on the left, enter the code in the text box, and press claim. Your coins will be added instantly. Rewards include coins for cosmetics, paint effects, and weapon crates. Save coins for effect crates to unlock rare paint styles and stand out in matches. Codes are case sensitive, so type them exactly. Join the official Discord for new codes and save coins for crates instead of small upgrades.